about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what
we are now ready to head off on our second generation
maiden voyage.
We've got the trailer ready, it's got new tires, the brakes are safe, the leaves and springs are good, all systems should be a go.
Yeah, anything that we thought was good and failed has still been fixed, so
yep.
We've, I think, run out of things to fix.
So we're excited. We're going to get on the road and then we will go meet up with Courtney later this week and hopefully surprise her.
With the great reveal.
Check it out. Back there. There she is. I think she might be called Penelope. Is that the name?
I think that was the second family called her Penelope, so.
So we might just go with it.
Yeah, it's a group of branches, not a moose. I can't believe you thought that was a moose.
I didn't.
Honey.
I told you it was a treat.
It kind of looked like a moose for a minute.
It was a treat.
Yeah, it was a treat.
Have another Moscow mule and then we'll see. Maybe you can convince me it was a moose. First night in the second generation maiden voyage in Penelope the Prowler.
Yes, we're at Gold Pan Provincial Park.
Yep.
It's a beautiful park.
It's in the Fraser Canyon on the Thompson River.
It's awesome.
Really nice.
However,
you should never spend the night here.
There's a train track there that goes that way, and there's a train track there that goes that way all night.
Oh, let's not forget, Highway 1 is right there.
The Trans-Canada.
And this beautiful raging river.
And of course we have all our windows open, so you hear every little bit. Oh, what? Wait, what's that?
What do we have now? Can you hear it?
Here, let's just flip that around for you. There we go. That's actually a quiet one.
It is.
That one snuck up on us.
Now that the train is gone, we can eliminate a little bit of the noise that kept us up all night.
Right. This is at least a more peaceful noise.
It is, and it is a beautiful place. It's just so hard to sleep. But anyways, first night in Penelope.
Other than the noise, what were any other?
Overall, it was just little things that, you know, you got to use it to figure out, like forks, for instance. There are no forks in this rig.
So who was on forks?
That was me. The other thing was no kettle, which that was just me being cheap because I didn't want to spend, you know, $50 on a kettle, so I'm still shopping.
Right.
But in the meantime, we just use a pot. That was not that big of a deal. And
Oh,
then,
how did your shower go today?
okay, so when you test the hot water system, you actually like make sure that hot water comes out of the tap, right?
Which it did at one point. And then we had a leak. And then we had to change a pump. And then we bypassed the hot water tank. And then we didn't unbypass the hot water tank. So it was hot.
But it wasn't coming to
the
me.
shower. So that's fixed now. That was a
Okay.
simple one.
Yeah, so we did figure out what that was. Final challenge remains the ongoing challenge.
Fridge.
Yeah. So again, just to remind you, the actual propane system fridge is off getting repaired. We've got a bar fridge, all electric in there.
But we're at a provincial park and it doesn't have power. So we ran the generator a few times during the night. It's cool, but it's not ideal.
No, it's not. It's kind of a warm, cool, and it's annoying for people when you run a generator, and we understand that.
And then
so.
we've got a long day today before we get to our campsite, where then we'll be plugged in, and pretty much most of the rest of the trip will be plugged in. So we got an idea of how to manage that, a little bit of a hack maybe. Wouldn't necessarily recommend it to others.
No.
But we'll show you what we're going to do to get through today.
So yeah, again, everything we show you guys is for entertainment value only. We actually do some of the things that other people might think are like, what are you guys doing? And that's questionable, and we don't recommend you do it. We're just saying this is what we're doing to get through it. We'll show you what we're doing, and at best you can maybe go shake your head a little.
Or maybe some people will go, ooh, what a good idea.
Remember, we're just trying to get through this day, and yeah, so we're going to show you that. We're going to head on further through the Fraser Canyon. This is the Thompson River behind us, but we're going to get up by the Fraser again.
Meets the Fraser here in about another 10 miles.
Because we are just going to drive straight through to Vancouver, hoping to get to a dealership.
And we need to get going.
And we need to do some filming today. So that's the plan. Let's go.
We got a long day before we get to where we're going. We're going to be driving for part of it, parked in an area where we can't run the generator for sure. So we're going to run it while we drive. I'll start it. We've put the cord through the middle of the trailer. It's going to be plugged kind of in the middle of the truck so that when we turn and stuff, it's not going to get tighter or looser. I think we've left just enough slack that nothing's going to get caught up. So I'll fire it up and I'll plug it in and we'll go down the road and we'll see.
We'll test.
What could possibly go wrong?
Check this out. That could make some nice lighting for Penelope. See what else we can find.
So we managed to get all this in this tow vehicle of ours. What is this thing?
What year is it,
It's a 2000.
We have a 2000 Dodge Dakota extended cab. Because back in the day when we could have got the 4-door model, we thought, who would be crazy enough to get a 4-door truck?
Well, this is what, 8 years newer than Penelope.
That's right, it is. So yeah, we're still going with the vintage theme here and cramming all our stuff in here just fine. Just fine. You don't always have to have the biggest, brightest, bestest, newest. We're just fine. It's a very tight turn for a big rig.
It is. Good thing we're not in a big rig. Yeah, we have a reservation. Do you want to just shut that off? Unplug it and shut it off?
I'm putting out outdoor illumination. It's gonna look great.
Do you think you're Clark or something?
Well, yeah.
And why are you doing this?
Clark could put up outdoor illumination with the wiener roasting stick.
Okay, you ready? Drum roll. Joy to the world. Ooh.
Joy to the world.
That's actually pretty good.
It is good.
Well, we got a burnt out one in the middle. Of all places.
I did it.
Ta-da!
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
We bought her.
You bought our trailer back.
As soon as I turned the corner, I didn't know you had this, and I was like, this is the site. Oh, it's cute! Look at your little bedding!
It's kind of smaller than I remember.
Is it?
You're bigger.
This
Okay.
part feels the exact same.
Yeah.
It's so good. I can't believe you got it
It is
back.
good, isn't
I
it?
know.
Like it's like new. Like honestly, in here.
I can't believe you got it back. It's so perfect. It's a great RV. It's a great RV.
25 years and 2 months
Oh
ago,
yeah.
you would have
Pooped on
been
the
sleeping.
table.
You would have been sleeping in that closet
I'm pooping on this
and
table.
pooping on that table.
It's cute, isn't it?
It is cute.
And it's just got everything you need, and it's got tons of storage, and it's in such good shape.
It is.
Yeah.
I can't believe you got it back.
We got it back. We fixed it up.
Oh, there's the smell.
You like the smell?
Closets, man. It's the closets. I'm telling you, this one's gonna smell just like it.
Oh, you got to go down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
It's
There it
yours.
is. It smells
This is the one. Yeah, this is a big one.
Yeah.
The smell
Likely you're
test.
recognizing the smell of your parents.
Oh, you're going for the upper smell?
Oh, yeah.
This is
It
yours.
smells like the games.
This is yours.
It smells like being in the badminton rack.
Is the pigs up there?
Yeah, they are. Did you get new pigs?
Yeah.
Nice. Ellie, are you gonna eat them off the table?
It's like 11:30. You can't
Yeah.
live your entire childhood in one night.
No, we've got the
Oh, we
weekend.
got all 3 days. What?
No, we can.
So we're changing up the decor a little. We might get some new curtains and maybe get rid of a bit of the velour.
No, I like it.
I knew she was going to say that.
You gotta get the picture of Grandma Anna here. Do you have it?
Probably at
Gotta
home.
put it
Oh, yeah,
back.
we do.
I know.
Yeah.
I used to stare at it all night. I know.
I even worked in here. Like, I sat there
Oh yeah, because
for an entire winter because it was in the shop.
Yeah.
And I worked out of here.
No, honey, it's big. It's big.
There we go. Oh, another good one.